Scholastic India is using the centralized platform on GPRS terminals for payment transactions and promotions in a book fair that they conduct in various schools across India. Scholastic was already using the centralized platform for payment transactions on their GPRS terminals. The existing framework is enhanced with integration with the billing server, which will enable the GPRS to generate an invoice and also provide a complete data management solution of its book fair operation. The GPRS POS is configured to accept various freebies, discount schemes and incentive. GPRS POS can capture different sales such as normal sale, teacher's sale, complimentary sale, incentive sale and library sale. It can also partly or fully cancel a bill. In normal sale, cashier will scan the books one at a time and an invoice will be generated. Any freebie or discount will be applied and show up in the invoice based on the book fair promotion scheme. GPRS POS will indicate to the cashier to scan the freebie item in case freebie item is not scanned. Cashier will confirm the amount and scan the freebie item if applicable. If the freebie was already scanned by the cashier along with the books, the billing server will validate the freebie against the transaction amount according to the scheme and total amount will be shown on the GPRS POS. If the freebie is not eligible for the transaction amount, the transaction will be declined and appropriate message will be shown in the terminal. Customer will be asked for the payment option, which can be either cash or card. Based on the selection required, payment processing will be done and charge slip will be printed with complete invoice details. For cash payment, the cashier will enter the amount received from customer, for example 1,000, 500, etc. And it will be printed in the receipt in the form of received cash amount along with the change. Received cash amount, invoice amount. The payment option selected will be updated in the billing server against the sale. In teacher sale, cashier will select the transaction type as teacher sale and enter the teacher's class name such as 1A, 2A, 2B, etc. Cashier will scan the books one at a time and request for invoice generation. GPRS POS will generate the invoice for the selected books using the master table on the billing server. A discount will be given based on the teacher sale discount configured at the time of scheme creation. POS will show invoice amount information to cashier for confirmation. Cashier will confirm the amount. Payment acceptance will be same as normal sale. A complimentary sale is referred to complimentary items given to school staff. Cashier will scan the complimentary gift items, request for invoice generation. Billing server will look up the master table and validate if the current item can be given as a complimentary gift based on complimentary gift configuration done at the time of scheme creation. If the selected item fulfills the criteria for a complimentary gift transaction, will be approved and charge slip will be printed or else transactions will be declined with appropriate message. A library sale is referred to a purchase being done by the library. Cashier will scan the item being purchased. Cashier will be given the option to manually enter the discount value for this transaction. Cashier will request for invoice generation. Billing server will generate the invoice on the GPRS POS for the selected books using the master table. It will use the discount value provided at the terminal to calculate the final bill. No freebie or flat discount will be applicable for this transaction. Once the invoice is generated, cashier will be asked to confirm the amount. Customer will be given the option of making the payment through cash, card or credit. Based on the selection required, payment processing will be done and charge slip will be printed. An incentive billing is referred to a sale to a school where the fair is being conducted. For every fair, there will be an opening incentive balance and a fixed percentage of the sale which will be configured in the book fair scheme. Cashier will scan the books one at a time and request for approval. Billing server will calculate cost the selected books using the master table. It will calculate the applicable incentive if the rules set for incentive sales are not met, the same will be conducted on the GPRS POS by the billing server. The incentive billing charge slip will contain the TIN, branch address, ISBN, and the title of all books, total amount. A bill cancellation is a transaction where a customer, after purchasing a book, will come back to return all the books, request a bill cancellation. A bill can be cancelled only till a book fair is operational. Cashier will enter the invoice number and initiate bill cancellation. Billing server will validate the invoice number and approve the bill cancellation. If the invoice number is not found appropriate, error message will be displayed. Charge slip will be printed with details of invoice number and amount which the customer has to sign. If the bill was paid by credit card, the billing server will not void the credit card transaction. It will cancel the invoice and print a credit note of the invoice amount. Cashier will hand over the credit note to customer. However, the cashier will have an option to void the credit card transaction separately if the batch is still open. If there was a freebie given to the customer, it will not be taken back on cancellation of the bill. Similarly, part cancellation of the bill can also be processed. Pine Labs billing server with the GPRS POS provides an innovative and end-to-end solution to Scholastic India of book fair operation.